Alright guys, so in this video we are going to discuss how Logan Paul basically makes his money and how much money does he actually earn. So basically he earns more than $20 million every single year. In this video we are going to discover what is the exact reason that he's able to make so much of the money, what is the source, what enabled him to do something like that, but most importantly, where do somebody who has not done anything yet, who's not able to make any money yet, where should he get started to follow on the same path, like on the same root cause which actually enables people like Logan Paul to make so much of the money. So let's see his YouTube channel. As you can see, this is already having like 23.2 million subscribers. And guess what? How many videos has he uploaded? 709 videos. And actually, obviously he shot to fame via the YouTube itself. 5 billion views already has got. He started his channel on August 29, 2015. Now let's see a report about his earning. Like how much does Logan Paul earn? As you can see, $1.67 million every single month. That is the monthly revenue that he produces. That means more than $20 million every single year. Now he has 4 YouTube channels. The main YouTube channel already having 20 plus million subscribers. The official Logan Paul channel, the Impulsive Clips. These 4 YouTube channels that he has. What are the different sources of the revenue of Logan Paul? Number 1, YouTube ad revenue. Basically, YouTube pays him obviously a significant sum of money. As you can see right now, 5.8 billion views, and that means approximately, let's round it off to 5 billion views or 5.5 billion views. If the CPM, cost per minute, like cost per 1000 views, is $1, on average it is like $1, but like $1 to $2, but for a good audience, for like the good niche, it could range up to $50. But here, let's not take it 50, let's keep it safe. Let's say it is $5 CPM. So here, every 1000 views he's getting $5. That means 5.8 or probably 5.5 million views. 5.5 multiplied by $5, which is approximately $30 million from the views itself. So this over here, like, we are being conservative. Otherwise, like, obviously it could have been, some of the people I've seen make $50, $80 CPM. So obviously it could be even like $20. Anyway, so this is one of the source. The second source is merchandise. So he has the clothing line open. He has the video sponsors, a lot of sponsors who will reach out to the people who have so much of the following, the brand being built, and obviously like paying hundreds of thousands of dollars for just mentioning them in their videos. Now streaming revenue also comes from the podcast that he appears from, the Impulsive, Spotify and Apple Music, and obviously he has created this membership where his super fans can go and pay him monthly for the some of the services that he has on the Maverick, as well as like some of the live event. So overall he's able to make $20 million plus every single year. Now here's the reason I'm covering this particular thing, because obviously this YouTube channel of mine is about telling all of you guys, like, how do we make money online, different strategies of making money online via Instagram, via YouTube, via blogs, via websites, via writing, via typing. How many ways are available of making money online? So many ways, and all of these I explore on my channel. So make sure, by the way guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please ensure you subscribe to my channel, because this channel will be covering everything about how do we grow your finances to the moon. So again, because I cover this way, I'm going to show you, I'm going to talk about what is the exact reason, where do you think he's actually making the money. If you try to analyze, like, YouTube ad revenue, obviously YouTube does not pay to every YouTube channel. Merchandise, yes, I can open it, anyone can open it, but will that make such a big money? So why the money is being made by his merchandise or the clothing line that he has opened? Why the video sponsors are reaching out to him? Why the streaming and all these things are happening, like the membership he's being paid? What is there? All these things, streams of revenue, has the same root cause. What is that root cause? The attention of the people that he's able to draw on himself. 23.2 million views. Now let us try to see his first, 23.2 million people associated with it. So that means He has a potential of impacting millions of people. Some way or the other, millions of people are getting attention via his content, and that is the exact reason how do we make money. So let us try to see the first. So as you can see, 5 years back, the road to Burning Man, my first vlog, you can edit this particular thing later. So he edited obviously later, and later on the views must have come. Initially it would have been just a random video, guys. I mean, it is just like not such a, I mean, obviously she shaved my legs and huge iPhone 7 giveaway. Over a period of time, being consistent eventually gives you that traction, and suddenly you start moving big. That is what must have happened in the case of Logan Paul. The point I'm trying to make, guys, the point I'm trying to make is that it is about the number of people's life, some way or the other, you are able to impact. It is about the amount of attention that you are able to draw from the other people. That is the root cause of making money. Everything comes later. Everything else will keep on coming, flowing to you. Let's say you start a YouTube channel today. You commit to yourself, I'm going to make one video every single day, or probably 2 videos every single week, or let's say 1 video every single week, or even 2 videos every single month, whatever that might be your target. But I'm going to do it till I at least complete 200 videos. That is the commitment I have to myself. If you decide to yourself, let me tell you, I'm just giving an example. Over a period of time, slowly and steadily, what is happening, even when you're not seeing the results, you're still going out there, showing up over and over, and then slowly and steadily you start to find your voice. Slowly and steadily you start to find that, okay, the views are increasing, and then there was one video that is going to take you to the moon. I mean, moon in a sense, obviously, like it is going to get several thousand views, and then eventually the first step would be your channel will be monetized, and then over a period of time it will gain more and more number of people. It is about the number of people's attention that you are able to draw. Now the question comes whether only the YouTube is the way, like there is no other way out, like people can only come on the YouTube and then build the brand. Definitely not. There are countless number of websites where nobody knows who's the owner, and they are making millions of dollars every single month. Let me tell you guys, millions of dollars every single month. But even on the conservative side, the good blogs are earning more than $100,000 every single month without owning any of the product, just because they are able to drive the traffic. They are able to just connect any of the affiliate programs, countless number of affiliate programs out there on the internet. You name any niche, type in the affiliate program, let's say the dogs affiliate program, the cats affiliate program. You just type it, you'll find tens and like 50 affiliate programs, hundreds of affiliate programs. You'll find each of them paying good sum of money. You do not have to do anything. Within a minute you join the affiliate program, you'll be given a unique link. All you have to do is just promote. So how do you promote? The major source of promotion is the traffic. So eventually it boils down, if you are able to draw the attention of the people on the internet, if you are able to draw the traffic, you can make the big sum of money. And eventually, let me tell you, like when he started his channel, Logan Paul, he would have never thought like he'll be making, forget about $20 million, like $1 million every single month. He never would have thought will he even make $1 million out of the entire career. But once you start impacting other people's life, once you start getting the attention, you don't even realize how much money that you can make. So on that note, guys, what I'm doing, I'm leaving a video link down below which I've made, which shows how a simple blog makes $50,000 every single month. In fact, one of the blogs was sold for $100 million. The guy who started the blog, the pennyhoarder.com, he was actually $50,000 in debt at that time in 2010. He just started it for himself, and over a period of time he consistently updated year after year. The revenue kept on coming. Eventually it used to make $1 million every single month, more than $1 million, and right now it is sold for $100 million. That is the amount of money that we are talking about, guys. All you have to do is probably, if you do not want to come, like first of all, number one, you can start a YouTube channel, come in front of the camera, get used to it, make consistent content, make quality content, try to help out the people. Yes, that could be one of the way of generating traffic. The other way, behind the scenes, very easy way, watch the video down below and your first blog will be ready in the next 30 minutes. Assuming you do not even know how to open a website and stuff, everything will be shown in this video, apart from how the other people are making money via the blogs. So do ensure you watch the video. By the way, guys, again, do comment down below for the best takeaway from this video, as well as the questions that you may have, as well as what kind of videos you would want to see in the future. Do smash the like button and subscribe to my channel, because this channel will be everything about how do we grow your finances to the moon. Having said that, guys, definitely do something about it. I mean, there is a saying, if you are failing to plan, you're planning to fail. Plan for your success. There is no plan B. Just plan for your big success ahead and work as if you're definitely going to achieve it. Let me guarantee you that you are going to achieve it. Over a period of time, the external world is going to change for you, just because you have shown the commitment, you have shown the emotional commitment to keep on going no matter what. So again, thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see all of you guys in the next video. Bye bye.